to the blueprint in Azure. So if you go to blueprints, and then here we have get started, create compose artifacts such as template policies. So you can create template policy, role, assignment, and resource group based on common or organized base pattern into usable blueprint. Apply to scope, apply your blueprint to one or more subscription, and track assignments. So track your blueprint have been applied, share them across your organization. Okay, so here what we have, the blueprint definition, there is no definition here, and here assign blueprint, there is no assign blueprint. Create a blueprint, and here we have some blueprint here, samples, and we can create a plan. So if we go to plan, to create a blueprint, you need to give it name, test, and definition location. Also, blueprint has a definition location is the subscription. You need to choose subscription. Then let's say next, artifacts, and here you can add artifacts. So artifact type, so there is 4 type of artifact: policy assignment, role assignment, Azure resource manager, template subscription, and resource group. So let's go and try the blueprint with a template, with a sample. Okay, so I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna create another blueprint. I'm gonna use, let's say, VNet. We have basic networking. Sorry. So we have a basic networking blueprint, or virtual networking VNet, virtual network. Click on it. So now we can use it. Blueprint resource name, I'll call it easy 900 blueprint. Location, again the same subscription, the free trailer. And next, artifacts. Okay, you need to select the location first and then artifacts. Now we have pre-made artifacts. So we have to subscription, nothing. But to the resource group, we have a network security group, and when you click on it, we have artifact name and import template, a JSON file here, and then we have parameters. So VNet have no parameters. This value should be specified when you blueprint assigned. So that's network security for a new VNet, and we have VNet and one subnet. And also here another JSON file, but we can go to the parameter to make it easier. And here you can also add a prefix. You can change the subnet space, and you can change the subnet address or the space subnet. So for now, if I leave everything like default and try to add a new artifact, you need to also specify a type. So now we don't have resource group anymore because we're already inside the resource group. And we can click next. Let's see, free trailer, basic. Next, artifacts, already been here. So when you go here, we go previous. So now we can save draft. Save draft. Yeah, I think this is saving now. Unfortunately, I'm not having any feedback here. So save a draft. and now here saving. Oh, like I click save draft few times, so I got all of this. Okay, so don't do that. And here I got only one draft. This is good. And then we can go to blueprint assignment. There's no assignment still. If we go to our blueprint again, we have publish blueprint. And when we click on publish blueprint, okay, so when you publish blueprint, you can version it. So I will give it version 1 and then say publish. Now I have one more, publish a blueprint to finish and succeed. I will dismiss all. And now this one published. The next I'm going to assign a blueprint, and then here you can assignment. I will keep the name, assignment name, location West Europe, and then the version 10 lock assignment. I will not lock anything now, but you can make a lock, don't delete or read only. And then here manage identity, system assigned or user assigned. I keep a system assigned. And then a blueprint resource name prefix. So you can add a prefix. I will add a prefix of test. And then here resource group and resource name prefix. So both. And now here I can change some stuff. Resource group name. It will be generated like this. Concat parameter resource name prefix and in the end RG. Okay, we'll see it soon. Resource group location, I will say West Europe again. And here subnetting, let's change it. So I'm gonna create something like 172.16.0.0/16. And next I'm gonna choose a subnet of 172.16.10 and make it 24 here. And then I will say assign. So here in notification we have creating a blueprint assignment, which is good that we have feedback here. And now blueprint assignment succeed. Perfect. So what I'm going to do now, go into assignment and see here, and that's now I have one blueprint assignment. And when you go here you can see the details. So I'm not gonna update assignment. I'm just gonna go here and refresh it maybe. So here we can see version and then provision status. What is important here? It's waiting, so it's still waiting. So refresh it more and more and more. It's still waiting. Go back and forth, and here still waiting. I will click on refresh, and now it's deploying. So here we can get a track of this blueprint. So now it's deploying, and if we refresh more, we can see what will happen next. Or maybe go home, go back to blueprint. Let's try to navigate blueprint from here. So we don't have a shortcut to blueprint, as I can see here, to blueprint. So if I go all services again, I don't see it. So I need to search for it. Blueprints. And now here again, let's go to assignment again, and now we see succeed. So assignment succeed. If we click on it, now we can see the details. Not locked, not locked, not locked. 3 resources. Test resource group is my prefix, and test vnet blueprint also my prefix, and test my prefix NSG blueprint. So perfect. If I go to here or resources, now I should find my new resources here. Since I add the prefect test, they are here. Can see them. Well, this tests something else we created before. Okay, so that's the blueprint. Thank you.